Basically just showing you how to roll out cookie dough in an effort to make the easiest cookie tutorial ever seem just a little bit more complicated. Cut out a circle of cookie dough with any round cutter that you have. Maybe spend a few seconds trying to decide what to do with the leftover cookie dough. Then grab a flip-flop cookie cutter and cut out the center of that circle of dough. You can use either side of the flip-flop cookie cutter, and then just bake the cookie dough like you normally would. When the cookie is completely baked, use a medium consistency gray icing and a number 3 tip to completely outline the entire cookie. Once it's outlined, use the same icing to flood the center of the horseshoe cookie. This is literally as complicated as this cookie gets. Super easy. Just keep the tip low to the cookie so the icing kind of smooths out as you're piping. If you need to smooth it out some more with a scriber or a toothpick, go ahead and do that. Then let the surface of the icing dry for about 15 minutes. Come back with the same icing and pipe 3 detailed dots on the surface of the cookie. When that icing has dried, add a silver sheen with either silver airbrush spray or canned silver spray.